This review is of Nature Valley soft bake muffin bars, chocolate chip flavor, made with whole grain, 8 grams of whole grain only. No artificial flavors or colors, no high fructose corn syrup. I don't think there's much else. There's a little blurb thing over here. Some idiot is making noise with their primitive car. Box tops, blah, blah, blah. There's that. And it does have bioengineered food ingredients. Hooray. Made in Canada. Nutrition facts. 1 bar has got 7 grams of fat, of which 2 are saturated. No trans fats or cholesterol. 180 milligrams of sodium. 22 grams of carbs, of which 4 are dietary fiber. 9 are sugars, of which 6 are added. And 2 grams of protein. And these are the ingredients. And it is a vegetarian product, not vegan, because it has both milk and eggs in it. But let's try. All right, individually packaged, of course. Smells nice. I think they, do they? Oh, corn syrup. Yay. And chocolate liqueur. Yep, I smelled chocolate liqueur. Corn syrup and fructose. Yay, even better. Great for the liver. I mean, it's okay. There is a bit of a flavor to it that I don't care for. At least it has a fair amount of chocolate in it, but not my preference. I'd rather just have a muffin. Of course, the nice thing about this is it isn't as messy as a muffin. I don't plan on buying that one again. I'll give it a 6.5. It's okay, but that little flavor is just kind of off-putting. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.